rock, make use of it. Yeah. We're leaving the crater now, climbing up out of the crater.
Normally it's only an exit road, but whilst they are repairing...
We're going to take a closer look at the baboons here. We're going to go up a little closer. They'll go behind you. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yep, it's coming up here. It's going to jump on. This guy here. He's climbing in that window up the pole there. A lot of baboons here, all down here. See them all here. Making a lot of noise here too. I'd like to get closer to them, but I don't know if I should.
Going to the car. You know what they call a group of baboons? It's a buffoonery.
Huh? Monkeys over there.
Really?
The white or the green?
What kind of sandpiper? One you already had?
I think it's the green sandpiper. A little bit of a green pale leg.
Maybe it's flipping its tail up and down. It's going to get hard to see because the branches are in the way now.
Yeah. Brilliant white lump and underparts.
This green, the one, is like big one. Yeah. The second one, the red one.
I need to turn a little.
Yeah, it's there, it's hanging around.